Isn't it fun to remember most of the drugs of a classification as the derivatives of a single drug? It is right. Let's learn cephalosporins in that way. In cephalosporins, we have 5 generations. Among these first 3 generations, drugs can be given orally and parenterally too. But only fourth and fifth generation drugs can be given only parenterally. And one more thing, every drug in cephalosporin starts with CEF except first drug starts with CEPH. Okay, let's start with first generation. We are entering into cephalosporin's classification with the first generation, right? The first drug itself welcoming us into the classification like LX in. So the drug becomes cephalexin. Not only oral drug, parenteral drug too inviting us. A to Z all come in. Ajolin, cefajolin. Okay, and if you won't come in, we become ill. Adrox, ill. So first generation drugs are cephalexin, cefadroxil and cefajolin. Second generation includes achlor, cefachlor, cefprogil and cefuroxime axetil, and it is the index drug. I'm gonna derive every drug from this drug itself. How to remember this one? We know oxines, right? Just keep your before it. It becomes uroxime, and we know every drug starts with cef itself. Cefuroxime, and we are adding ags. Ags is used to cut down things. Here this drug, cut this drug until axetil, until we derive every other drug in the classification. That's it. Cefuroxime, axetil. First cut axetil itself. We come with the first drug cefuroxime, and then remove your and replace me with tin. We have drug cefoxitin, cefuroxime, cefoxitin. And then come to third generation. Just remember a story here. We buy an iPod Pro after having dinner in Tibet, and then we say Tata to them and go to Met Pevoxil. So I say you iPod Pro in cefuroxime, remove euro and keep I here. It becomes cefixime. First drug done. And then keep pod here. It becomes cefpodoxime. And we know axetil now. Remove A and keep pro here. iPod pro. Cefpodoxime proxetil. And then we have dinner. Cefdinir. In where? Tibet. Ceftibuten. And we say Tata to them. Ceftamet pivoxil. That's it with oral drugs. We derive parenteral drugs to same. Cefuroxime now. Just write it. Here we are replacing euro and keeping 3 things. Cefuro, cut it and keep O-tax. Cefotaxime. And then Tagid. Cefotaxime and then Tagid. We have to keep ID for TES account, right? That's it. TES ID. Tagid. Ceftagidime. And then Tijox. Ceftijoxime. We just derived 3 drugs from cefuroxime. 3 means tri. So next drug is ceftriaxone. All 3 drugs from one drug itself. Ceftriaxone. That's it. And next drug ends with one only. So cefoperazone. This is with parenteral drugs. Cefotaxime, tagidine, tijoxime, triaxone, operazone. And then fourth generation drugs. Here in uroxime, remove everything except me and insert epi. From episode we are taking epi and inserting here cefipime, and then remove E and insert rho in between pi and me. It becomes cefpirome. So fourth generation drugs cefipime and cefpirome. Next fifth generation, these are newer drugs. Here starts with cef. These have role in their names and mil, il in endings. So ceftaroline fozamil. Here ceftamet pivoxil. Here cefta rolled in to meet fozamil. Ceftobiprole medocaryl. That's it. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to One Stop Medico. Thank you.